Have you ever come across a term that left you scratching your head? Today, we're diving into the concept of a binary safe string. If you've ever wondered what it is and why it matters, you're in the right place. I totally get it. The tech world is full of jargon that can be confusing. You're not alone in feeling puzzled about binary safe strings, especially if you've stumbled upon this term while reading documentation like Redis. Let's take a closer look at the question at hand. What exactly is a binary safe string? Is it just a string with a length attached to it? And why do we call it binary safe? These are great questions, and they set the stage for our exploration. To understand binary safe strings, we need to recognize that they are designed to handle binary data without any issues. This means they can store any type of data, including special characters, without corrupting it. This is crucial for applications like Redis, where data integrity is key. And stick around. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand binary safe strings, but also how they can impact your work with databases like Redis. To understand what a binary safe string is, we first need to clarify that it is a string that can contain any type of data, including binary data. This means it can hold characters that are not typically found in standard text strings. Next, the user might wonder why binary safe strings are important. They are crucial in scenarios where data integrity is essential, such as when storing or transmitting data that includes non-text bytes. Now, let's address the user's question about whether a binary safe string is just a string with length attached. While length can be a part of how data is managed, a binary safe string is more about the ability to handle various data types without corruption. Finally, the user may be curious about the term binary safe itself. It indicates that the string can safely include any byte value, which is particularly relevant in programming languages and databases that differentiate between text and binary data. Fun fact: the term binary safe might sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's actually a crucial concept in programming that helps keep your data safe and sound. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user explains that a binary safe string does not assume its length or terminating character. In Redis, for example, a binary safe bulk string is formatted with the length included in the representation. This allows you to store various types of data, like a JPEG image, as a string. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. According to another user, a binary safe string in Redis can hold any type of data, such as images or serialized objects. This means it is not limited to just text. The term binary safe refers to the ability to store data without being restricted by the null terminator used in C language strings. Here's a quick takeaway. When working with data, always consider whether you need a binary safe string. It can save you from headaches down the line, especially when dealing with complex data types. And there you have it. You now know what a binary safe string is and why it's important. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights and tips. Keep exploring, and happy coding.